Today, I'm going to unbox the brand new Nintendo Switch 2.
I went to the nearest game store from my home, and there was already a long line.
I had to wait almost an hour just to buy one. I finally got it. I can't wait to unbox my brand new Nintendo Switch 2. Let's dive right into it. Oh no, it was opposite side. Okay, let's try again. Oh wow. That's so amazing. Let's check what's inside the box. Left and right Joy-Con 2 controllers. Nintendo Switch console. HDMI cable. Nintendo Switch dock. I really like the rounded shape of the Nintendo Switch dock. AC adapter. Joy-Con grip. This new controller feels really good to hold. The screen became much bigger than before. Let's see how the Nintendo Switch 2 stacks up against the previous model. Let's set up Nintendo Switch 2. I really like this new magnetic Joy-Con attachments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Got thoughts or questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.